Hello, beautiful babes. It's your girl, Sweet Angel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I want to thank you all so much for your everlasting support. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and you'll be in the know each and every time I upload. Beautiful babes, we'll be talking about an 8-oil blend hair and scalp oil for weak, damaged, and color treated breakage prone hair today. Now, whereas I am actually using 8 different oils, I want you to listen to all of the benefits of each one of these oils. And if you don't have each one of them, if you can't afford every single one of them, listen to them individually and think about which oil is great for your hair. Then you implement that into your routine. So as I blend these, I will also share with you the quantity of how much I put into my mixture and also the benefits of each oil. Now let's get to this recipe. Now, your hair is just like your skin and your body. It requires moisture and hydration. And for real, if you don't have moisture in your hair, what you'll have is breakage, split ends, weak hair. After you use this oil treatment, you will see your hair shinier, smoother, and softer than ever. A well-hydrated scalp is the key for stimulating hair growth and restoring strength to thinning dry hair. This oil is going to help strengthen the hair by enveloping it with essential fatty acids and vital nutrients. Nutrients that are necessary in the repair and rejuvenation of dry and damaged hair at the deepest level. This oil is even great for dry, oily, thick, thin, straight, or curly hair, even color treated hair. I have all of my oils lined up here. You will need a container in order to store your oils. This is one that I reuse time and time again. I'll have a like bottle in the description box if you need to find any of these types of containers for your mixture. You'll also need a funnel in order to make sure that you don't waste any of the oils while pouring them into the bottle. And I also have my measuring spoons. You'll need a tablespoon, a 1 teaspoon, and a 1/2 teaspoon measuring spoon. The first ingredient we'll be adding is 1 tablespoon of castor oil. You can use regular castor oil or even Jamaican black castor oil. Castor oil can be used on the scalp to help prevent and remedy hair loss, and it's effective at this for several reasons. Its antibacterial and antifungal properties make it beneficial against folliculitis, dandruff, and scalp infections, and its ricinoleic acid content helps increase stimulation to the scalp and improve hair growth. The next ingredient we'll be adding is coconut oil. Coconut oil is so amazing because of the vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients in the coconut oil. It helps stimulate hair growth. Coconut oil has anti-inflammatory properties that help decrease local inflammation, which can mess with your hair's ability to grow. It is also packed with lauric acid, which helps to strengthen and moisturize your hair. Next, we'll be taking 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil. That's it, sunflower oil. Moisture is the key to natural hair growth. Sunflower oil acts as a natural moisturizer because it is infused with several vitamins and minerals, including high levels of vitamin E that produces healthy hair growth. Sunflower oil also contains oleic acid, another name for omega-9 acid, known to be one of the essential acids that is needed to stop breakage and stimulate healthy hair growth. We'll then be making use of 1 tablespoon of black seed oil. Yes, black seed oil can be used on the hair. It has an anti-inflammatory effect which fights various fungus diseases, regenerates skin cells, and strengthens hair bulbs. Black seed oil cleanses the scalp pores, makes your hair silky and soft by moisturizing it. And yes, it also prevents hair breakage. Next, we'll be taking 1 teaspoon of bringrage oil. This is a new one, huh? Bringrage oil is an ancient Ayurvedic treatment for your hair. So it's been around for a long time. It works miraculously on dandruff and dry scalp, baldness, hair fall, hair growth, and adds shine to your hair. It helps boost blood circulation to the scalp, stimulating it and triggering hair growth. This oil helps to prevent premature graying and ensures your hair stays dark and thick for a long time. Next, let's talk about amla fruit oil. We'll take 1 teaspoon of amla fruit oil, and it is highly recommended for hair care, scalp care, and hair growth, even skin care. It is known as a traditional Ayurvedic natural hair rejuvenator that prevents premature gray hair, reduces split ends, keeps hair shiny, stronger, and help control dandruff. 1 teaspoon is all you need. Let me introduce to you Brahmi oil. We'll be taking 1 teaspoon of Brahmi oil. Why? Because cold pressed Brahmi oil has powerful properties that make it one of the best carrier oils for hair care to look for. Massaging Brahmi oil strengthens hair and prevents split ends. You can add this oil in your daily hair care routine to have long and strong hair. Hey Brahmi! And then finally, the last ingredient. A half teaspoon of eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus oil acts as a stimulant for our hair follicles by constricting as well as cleansing blood vessels in the scalp. This enhances the circulation of blood through the scalp, thereby reducing hair fall and promoting hair growth. And now you have it. You have your very own 8 oil blend hair and scalp oil for weak, damaged, color treated, breakage prone hair. This is exactly what you need to enhance your hair, beauty, and its health. This is a nourishing hair oil that you can blend yourself, or you can use each of these oils individually. This will help promote the growth of your hair, make it healthy, and improve its overall texture and volume. As a natural conditioner and moisturizer to promote shiny hair. You're talking about keeping flakes at bay and treating inflamed scalp to prevent thinning and premature graying of your hair. It doesn't get any better than this. Now just simply start using it. Gently massage your hair and scalp with this oil, and you can also leave it on overnight. You can use it as a hot oil treatment or put it on and put a plastic shower cap over your head for a couple of hours right before you wash your hair. And then wash your hair and wow, see the results. Weekly usage of this at least 2 to 3 times for the next few months will guarantee you some strong and shiny hair. I love it. Thanks so much, beautiful babes, for hanging out with me on this video today. Drop a like on it if you enjoyed it, got something out of it. Leave me some hearts in the comment section. You know I love that. They inspire me so much. If you have not subscribed to the channel, I don't know what you're waiting on. Do that today. Hit the post notification bell. That way you'll be in the know each and every time I upload. I'll see y'all on the next video, beautiful babes. And please don't forget to share me with your world. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.